Alright, this video is going to be on a tutorial, or more like a lesson on the derivative rules, on the quotient rule and the chain rule. These problems, I had a problem with these when I was taking calculus, so I think these types of problems could be helpful. And I would suggest to try doing the problem first and then seeing the video, because then you can see, oh, this is where I didn't do good, and find your mistakes. Alright, so the first problem will be f of x equals 3 minus x cubed. Alright, so the first step you want to do, always when you have a square root, is take out, well, not take out, but rewrite it. It's much easier doing it this way. 1/2, like that. Then, this is where the chain rule comes in. You have an exponent, so first you take the derivative as with the exponent. So how you do that, you move that to the top just like you would do in a derivative, multiply out, and then just write that. And you have to minus a 1, which equals a 1 over 1. So you can do that on the side over here. 1/2 minus common denominator equals negative 1/2. So this comes out being negative 1/2. And then the second part to the chain rule is doing the derivative of inside, and that would be 3 is it's a number, so it doesn't have a derivative. So you just take derivative of that, and that is 3x squared. Close the parentheses. And all you have to do now is bring this to the bottom so it can make it positive. Basically rewrite it. So you would get 3x squared. And then the 1 stays up there, but I'm not going to write the 1 because it's just a 1. So just 3 minus x cubed to the 1/2. And that should be the answer right there. Okay, so the next problem will be f of x equals 2 over 3 minus x cubed. Alright, so the first step is, so by now you should know at least know what you have to do for the quotient rule. It's the bottom times the derivative of the top, and the top times the derivative of the bottom. So let's do the first one. 3 minus x cubed, and it's just a number, so it's just a 0, minus this times the derivative of the bottom, so it would be 3x squared. Alright, so that's the top part. You do that just for the top part. For the bottom part, all you do is square it. So 3 minus x cubed squared. Okay, so you have that. Now all you have to do is simplify up here. That equals 0. And now you're left with 3x squared over 3 minus x cubed squared. Alright, and now just to simplify it more, you just multiply the 2 in there on the top, and you get, I'll just put it over here. You would get, let's see, positive 6 cubed and there you go. That's what you get from this to this, because it's 2 negative, so it makes it positive. I just didn't write that step.